Good girl. Yeah, hi. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Hey, stick around.
I didn't.
Come on.
I thought Maggie. I had a dream it was Maggie. I didn't like it.
Good girl, Sadie. What do you think of the tridge? What do you think of the tridge? Huh? Yeah. It's got a lot of spider webs on it. What do you think? Can we get up here? So hold on. Hey, can you get up here? Well, come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, right here. Hey, come on. Come here. Come on. Yeah, you can jump up here. You can jump up here. I've seen you do it. Not this one. Okay. Okay, I'll get down. Want to walk this one? You want to walk this one? Hold on. Okay, come on. Hey. Oh, yeah. Check this one out. Oh, okay, come on. Whoa, you're getting in front of it. Okay. Look at you. Okay. Are you playing for the camera? C plus R plus M plus B plus F. I have no clue. It doesn't equal anything. Wow, I see you. Good climb. Did you get a drink? Yeah, good climb. Okay. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Yeah, I know, right? It's all full of moss, too. Hi! Hey, it's okay. I'm right here. Hi. I'm riding a bull. I hear you. I do. How am I going to get down? How am I going to get down? Okay. My foot got stuck. Okay, this is going to be a quick one. This is going to be a two-stepper. Ready? Well, maybe one. That was a toughie. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go. Oh man, that's no problem for you, huh? Yeah, that's cool. Isn't that cool? Like it was dying, but then right there, new life begins. And look at it. Another nest. Bet you they were living good out here, right by the river. Look, like this thing was dead at one time. And it's like, I'm gonna come back to life. Planted by the water. Planted by the water, Sadie. Hey, you can go down there. Go get a drink. Good girl. Yeah, come on. Whoa. Hello? Who? Are you brave enough to go in there? Hello? Hello? Yeah, kind of cool. You should go check it out. Maybe there's a squirrel. Yeah, maybe there's a squirrel in there. You should go see. Ooh, Sadie. It's a woodpecker. 2 of them. And a cardinal. Cool. And the cardinal. I didn't know cardinals hung out with woodpeckers. Look at me. Look at me. I'm on the log. Huh. This is quite slippery. I'm guessing it's so like people like me don't climb up there. I just go barefoot. Can't stop me. Huh? Right, Sadie? They can't stop me. We're rebels. Come here. Oh no, hey, stay. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. How you doing?
All right, how about yourself? Huh?
Good, good.
That's a cool dog.
Thanks, man. Here. Ready? Good jump, Sadie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you got burrs and all that on you again? That's okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.